order again?
Banana pudding.
And what don't you want in it?
I didn't say I didn't want banana. I know bananas are gonna come in it. I just don't eat bananas.
But you want banana pudding?
Yeah, my mama make it without bananas.
What are we about to eat at?
What is up, guys? It's your boy Corbin back with another video. Today, we about to hit up Honey Fire. Honey Fire is a top-rated barbecue place in Nashville. No other place has the highest rating as Honey Fire. Don't worry, we looked. The top rating. They just opened a brand new spot. About to go in, tell you guys what we think. We'll be right back. How's it going, man? I need to get the one with 3 meats on it. Yeah, I want the brisket. I want the 3 ribs and chicken. No. Popcorn chicken, apples. Got the food, fries, mac and cheese, onions, brisket.
You put that mac and cheese onion.
Well, the onions like laying out there chilling.
Baked beans, mac and cheese, white queso mac and cheese, pulled pork.
Why you say it like that? White queso mac and cheese.
That's what they said it was.
What you got? CJ halfway done. But we need a fork for him. Alright, now try some of the chicken on camera.
I ate 4.
Try some of that on camera. Tell them how it tastes.
4.
So this is the brisket. Look at that. Sweet honey fire sauce. Part. Damn. Pretty good. The fries. Super thin.
Not bad.
They're not bad.
I said that.
The chicken is delicious.
Not bad.
It's so moist. Super, super moist. A lot of people don't like that word moist. But that's the only way to describe this chicken. Moist. Somebody might say I might be doing the moist. The only thing I don't like is the random onions. Why did you just say hand me the barbecue sauce? Why you didn't say just hand me the regular barbecue sauce? So this is the queso mac. Yours is cold. Looks like something in there. Something else other than queso might be in there. I love a good macaroni and cheese. Like, I'm a macaroni and cheese type person. Really, CJ?
Billy.
So you ought to be ashamed of yourself.
You're not even saying this.
You know better.
You know better.
So let it happen again and see what happened to you.
What happened? Equal dip. Oh.
That mac and cheese mid, bro. Very, very mid. I think the best thing is the brisket. They was out of ribs, so. You know, normally if somebody tell me they out of ribs, I turn around and walk out. But ribs is what make it. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly,
You can pull a pork for me. The
Nah.
pulled pork sandwich was good. The pulled pork sandwich was good. Yeah, it's gone.
honestly, ribs is everything in a restaurant. If you think about it, Eve wouldn't have been here if God didn't. Come on, man. Come on, man. They let you know how important ribs is. Legendary. See how that thing. See that? That's how you know it's good brisket. Look at that char on there.
That's a nut.
Well, it ain't. They said they was out.
They chicken fried. I don't believe that. They ran out today.
Dad,
I mean, that must be good.
you just farted in the car.
I did what in the car?
This fart?
Who farted in the car? Me?
Yeah.
Okay, and?
That's crazy. It wasn't. It's dirty,
I
dog.
don't care about that, bro. It is what it is. I know you got haters everywhere you go. Well, who doesn't?
Y'all please stop.
Why?
I don't want to hear that. I'm trying to. I really had to smell it.
You're gonna make me out to be a farter, bro. Am I one?
Everybody got it.
But y'all trying to paint me as a farter, though. Like, that's all I do. Like, wake up in the morning, fart.
See what made Kim want to say that though? Like,
He a hater, bro.
the man's a minute.
What the thing is called? Nutter butter thing?
There's no reason I want that.
What is that like?
All right, this is go Roxanne bag as well. You guys enjoy.
All right, thanks.
It's good. It ain't my mama's, but it's good.
No, I ain't got nothing to do with this.
She makes good banana pudding. This is really the only reason I wanted it though.
I kind of saw that on there. I thought it was like some type of nutter butter thing, too.
It is.
But I'm saying, like, I thought the whole thing was a nutter butter, like some type of
This
nutter
banana
butter.
pudding
Huh?
with a lot of banana.
What would you rate it, though?
It's on the sweet side. I like sweet still, but it's too sweet.
I see caramel in the bottom of it. How much was that thing?
$3, $4.
You rate your food, CJ? A 9. What'd you have?
I forgot.
A pulled pork sandwich and fries.
Oh, yeah. Pulled pork sandwich and fries.
You rated a 9 out of 10?
Yes.
What you got, bro? What's that?
Apples and chicken.
Apples. What is it good?
Yeah.
Would you say thumbs up or thumbs down? What? Thumbs up. So I got the chicken. I got the brisket. And the mac and cheese with the fries.
And a bag.
And I got a bag.
No,
And a bread, yeah. I did get a bread. Pretty good. Like I said, the chicken is amazing. Not dry at all. The brisket is good too. I just need more barbecue sauce. I really got full, honestly. I got full. That's why I didn't eat it, the fries. I would rate it probably, I rate this place probably an 8 out of 10. By far the best barbecue in Nashville though. Would you agree?
I agree.
The rest of this barbecue is. But this place is legit. Other than that,
Goodbye, guys.